Hi guys, VST here, NSP Tech. Yet another video for my Pixel 6, and in this video guys I'm going to give you my 5 reasons why I think the Pixel 6 is alright, you know the word, let's not put it there, but don't buy this phone. Just don't buy this phone, but also please keep watching the full video until you really get my idea, okay? It's not under all circumstances, but if you live in an area where I live, and if you do what I do, then most probably the Pixel 6 ain't your phone. So I'm just gonna start with some very interesting information, which I'm not sure is pretty much known by everybody. The Pixel is a Google product, right? It's probably a very easy question, so I guess everybody, would have just answered this. But the Pixel is also offered legally, or let's say officially, by Google in, not all the countries, right? So in the country where I live, which is Bulgaria, now it's Eastern Europe, you cannot really find the Pixel, right? But there are many other countries, okay? And that's actually not a problem. In the past, we have been buying Xiaomi phones from China, and they really came with the Chinese version of MIUI, and then we had to unlock them, unlock the bootloader, and just, flash like a regular global ROM or the Xiaomi U. That was not a bit of a problem, but you always had this limitation where, let's say, the modem is not quite right, and you have some problems with connectivity, you're not really getting all the carrier aggregation and etc. And this is actually reason number one, guys. If you buy the Pixel 6 in an area where it's not supported, it's not going to be supported by the main carriers, okay? And reason number one is, guys, this phone will not have 5G, right? So I know it's probably more than just a gimmick. Honestly, for me, 4G and 4G Plus is pretty much enough, okay? But you need to know, guys, if you buy the Pixel 6 in an area where it's not supported, you're gonna get something LTE-wise like, right? It's probably gonna go about like LTE Plus, but hey, it's gonna be really very far away from everything you've seen. And that's reason number one. Alright, but these things, they just go hand in hand. Reason number two is, if you buy the Pixel 6 in an area where it's not supported, you can forget about VoLTE, right? And what is VoLTE, guys? You can check my video here. It's voice over LTE, and it is very important if you're a person like me, right? So my use case is I do a lot of phone calls, and why do I need the VoLTE? Because every time I'm having a phone call, I want to maintain my connectivity. In the Pixel is, if I have to dial somebody, I'm going to end up here having H, which means that I, can simply not work. So let's say if I am outside my home and I have a work-related call and I need to share my screen and use a lot of bandwidth and I'm on mobile, you get the point. Reason number two, okay, no VoLTE. And I told you guys, all of these things, they're really interconnected. So reason number three is, this phone will also not have the VoLTE Wi-Fi, which is actually voice over Wi-Fi. And I do understand a lot of you guys will say, hey, are you really crazy? We don't really care about VoLTE, 5G and Wi-Fi. And so do I, right? But I just need you guys to understand the limitations. So what does VoLTE Wi-Fi mean? It really means the voice over Wi-Fi. And why is this important? Because if you live in an area where, let's say, your reception is bad, but you do have Wi-Fi, right? It will go like all your voice traffic is going to go through this Wi-Fi network and you'll get better connectivity. So it's really important if you have a use case like this. Not necessarily for me, but why it is still important for me, and I do have a nice reception at my house, because it will save more battery. And also, people claim that if you use a lot of talking like I do, it's better to have it on Wi-Fi, just for your head. But okay, I don't want to mess with you guys. Reason number three, and I promise, guys, the most annoying reason I'm gonna keep at the last, because this really is the no-go for me. But okay, just keep watching until the end. Reason number four has been the inconsistent updates. Me being a very heavy Android phone user, I know about this. Like, we had OnePlus issuing updates that will really break your phone, etc. We had Xiaomi issuing updates that were not so good, and etc. But guys, that's Google. They really own the Android. They write the Android, right? So we really were not so used to getting these crappy updates from Google. You remember the December update that they sent to fix some things, then later was retracted and they pushed it back in January. It is a total mess, right? So reason number four is, guys, if you don't want to get a total experience in terms of update, chaotic update, and also some of the features not working quite so well, then just don't buy this phone. It is still full of bugs, okay? And now, guys, I promised I will save the best until the end. Reason number five, and this being a video creator for me is really killing it. Let me just show you a movie. Keep watching. keep watching, please. Alright? See? See what happens here? This is absolutely unforgivable and unacceptable. I was able to once shoot more than 20 minutes 4K 60 FPS. You can check my video here comparing this with my S21 Ultra. And since then, guys, I'm even not able to go past the 5-minute mark. I can do 5 minutes, I can do 10 minutes. I know a lot of people will jump on me, hey,
you know, why do you want to shoot so long 4K 60 video? Go buy yourself a professional camera.
No, sorry. I just want to have a mobile setup, so I have this dual phone setup, one phone shoots the other. And this is it, guys. I don't accept anything else, right? I know it's a $600 phone, but it's still not acceptable. And by the way, you know, I was able to prove in one of my live streams, check it here, that if you use, right, NCS Pro 24 FPS, then you're able to, you know, shoot until the phone will really burn in your hand. Don't try this at home, right? But there is a way to circumvent this annoying Google message that will throttle the phone and will just stop it to save your video, and it's really annoying. Me being a video creator, this really kills me. Guys, so again, if you live in a non-supported Google area and you buy the Pixel 6, you need to know about these reasons. And you know, it's still a great phone after this, right? Still a great phone, but you need to be aware. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel, guys. And yeah, we are going to meet in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.